I want to show you how I'm able to reply to my Fiverr messages just using the voice, and how this can be extremely effective, because this is not a dictation, this is just by giving a few hints and you will be able to generate complete responses. For any of you guys, if you are looking at my channel for the first time, I run my Fiverr agency and I do offer social media marketing services. If I look at my earnings this year on Fiverr, they are almost at $400,000 made on Fiverr. So I've been actively selling on Fiverr for the last several years. At the same time, I built an AI platform, a CRM platform, together with my partner, and we launched this business in the summer. This is for Fiverr sellers, for Upwork sellers, because we also added Upwork integration. And honestly, this is one of the features that I want to show you today, because this is a game changer in my opinion, and we have something that is coming very soon in November that will really help sellers to get more clients, to get more sales, more projects as well. But the feature that I want to show you is specifically the voice. So with the voice feature, I'm able to respond to these messages very effectively. So you can see here, we are in my inbox. So this runs on the Chrome extension. So we have a portal that we built, and where you can provide instructions, you can have your CRM system, and then of course it has a Chrome extension component, right? So you can open the Chrome extension here, and also we integrated the buttons. You can see you can respond with three ways. You have the reply. This is just by using the context and responding to it. This one is an AI agent, means that it uses the instructions that you put. And then the third one is the audio. So let's test the audio and see what kind of reply we can get. I need to check the Instagram profile first. I can help with the Instagram growth, but I need to review it. So it will be good to see it first. You can see, you can make mistakes, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to give the context, you need to give some sort of hints, and it will generate a response. You can see here, thanks for reaching out, I'll be happy to help you with AI social media build out and structure. Before we proceed, can you please share your Insta profile? I'd like to review it first so I can better understand your account and provide the best growth strategy. Looking forward for your reply. Again, this is a very, very nice answer. So I can go ahead and send it, but I also want to point out that you can respond in your own language. You can respond in your own language, and in this case, you can respond your language. If you speak Spanish, if you speak any language that you're from, you can just respond in your language. The only thing is that we are looking, so when we see someone writes in English, for example, and you want to respond in your own language, it will be written in English. So for example, I can say, in my language, I do speak Russian, so I can say, мне нужно посмотреть сначала на Instagram профиль, чтобы понять, как я могу помочь. Пришлите, пожалуйста, свой Instagram. И я посмотрю и смогу сказать, что сделать. Ответить на английском. So you can see that I responded in the Russian language, and we can see what kind of response we're going to get right now. But this is something that can be a game changer if you are not a native English speaker and you need to. So here, for example, because this was a little bit confusing, that the client said, so we can say, hi, thanks for reaching out. I'd like to take a look at Instagram first, understand how I can assist you with AI social. Please send me your Instagram profile. I'll review it to see what can be done. Looking forward for your reply. So as you can see, wrote it in English perfectly. I said a lot of words and essentially understood the context and came up with the message. So this is something that is very powerful. I think this can be a game changer because you can respond it very easily. You can do actually multitasking, right? You don't need to be typing. You don't need to be in a quiet place. I actually been, working from coffee shops, and you can still give some, because it uses the microphone, so it hears you, and it picks up perfectly, right? So you can just speak. You don't need to be loud. You can be quiet, but it really picks up perfectly. And another option we have, of course, is using the AI agent. So in this case, when you use the AI agent, this is simply by using the instructions that we have. So we have these instructions in the portal, and when we're using with the AI agent, we are just telling that we are using the instructions, right? So you can see the reply, it's going to be also relevant because it knows that I need to check the Instagram profile first. There is no Instagram profile, and it just clarifies the service that I don't do. Again, this can be put there, you can change it, you can adjust it how you want. But this is, again, a very great reply, and we can also compare the reply, just a general reply. So that means we're taking the context, we're sending to OpenAI, and we're getting response back. So again, this is a bit confusing from the client, so we can just say, hi, thanks for reaching out, I'll be happy to help you with AI. Could you please share a bit about your goals, specific features, platforms you're interested in? That way I can make sure to provide exactly what you need. Looking forward to hearing from you. So again, this is a very good answer, right? But if you know, for example, if you need to check their Instagram, if you need to check their website, if you need to be specific, it's good to use the audio because you can say that, or it's good to just provide this in the instructions in the portal. That way you will be able to use it more effectively. Also, we are launching something very, very good. If you've been struggling with putting up the instructions, we will be adding this AI assistant to come up with the good instructions. Essentially, it will interview you and it will be asking questions based on your service, based on your gigs, and it will ask you questions and you will be able to respond in audio, and it will create a nice instructions, and that will be very, very helpful and very useful as well. We will be adding this integration, audio integration to the briefs. So when you are going to be responding to the briefs, you'll be using the audio. You can use the audio as well. So this is something that that will be also very, very helpful. We can also take a look at another message here. All right, so this is the profile client set. Since you're looking to help promote app, the most effective ways, targeting ads, marketing growth service, building genuine engagement. You need at least 10 posts. I can say here, no problem. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great start of the week, and feel free to reach out for future assistance. So you see, again, few hands waiting for a few seconds, and we are able to just get, let's see what kind of response we'll be able to get. No problem. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great start of the week. Feel free to reach out to future assistants. Perfect, right? So this is, again, very good, very fast, and it really saves a lot of time as well. So yeah, again, this is a great example of what you can do. And once again, we'll have a 2 weeks free trial. You can try it out. You can use it for free for 2 weeks. Feel free to try to use this audio feature. And if you have any questions, you can always send me a message on the live chat. I'm always there if you have any feedback, anything, because we want to make this the most helpful platform for your Fiverr, for your Upwork business, and maybe in the future we'll also add other integrations with other platforms. And really, we need your feedback, and we would like to work with you together to make sure we can build things that simplifies your communication, simplifies your workflow as well, and helping you scale more on Fiverr. In November, we're launching this very, very interesting feature which we can leverage our own community. If you join on the paid plan, once you start paying the first month, you'll be actually also invited to the private Telegram group where we have other top sellers, me as well. We're always exchanging ideas, we're also discussing things, so it will be also awesome to have you in the group as well. Guys, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments. I'll be happy to look at them, respond to them, and thank you so much again for your support, and see you in the next video.